This video I will show you how to put a simple if formula. Here this data set, they have negative and positive numbers, so I want positive numbers in the right side column and negative numbers in the left side column, like these two. So in order to do that, I will write the if formula which will uh, find whether if this number is positive, it will put that number. If it is not positive, it will put 0, and I will put if formula to both columns so it would work. First you type if, and then you can press tab. They ask to put the logical test first. The logical test is if a1 is less than 0, which means that this is a negative number. If it is a negative number, we want 0 here. If it is not, we will put a1 here, like this. Then we can copy it down. So here you can see all the negative numbers are zeros and all the positive numbers are entered correctly. So next, when I will copy this one and paste it here. So now I'll change the first column. So here, if this one is less than 0, which means it is a negative number, we want this one to be minus of that number, and if it is not a negative number, we want 0. So likewise, if we copy those down, and it comes. This is how you put a normal if formula. You can try this. If you have any problems, please let me know.